Vitals are good. It looks like he's going to make a full recovery. We're going to monitor him through the night, but it looks like
again. I didn't get picked again. Why do I even bother trying?
why can't I do what they do? Oh yeah, of course they want me to audition for the part.
What would be the point? They won't pick me. They never do.
Maybe I won't get the part. What if I could have? And I don't try. The audition's only a couple lines.
Now to figure out what to wear.
This'll do. It's not perfect, but I think it'll be good enough. Okay.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend.
I messed up.
'Cause everyone
Said the wrong word.
gives a friend sometimes. Take some good advice.
How have I been doing this for 6 hours already?
Don't let your fear decide. That's how you
Just one more time.
break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be
It's never gonna be perfect, but just maybe it'll be what they're looking for.
I've got this. All they can do is say no. It's done. I would have heard something by now if I got the part.
No, you've got this. Pretend it's already yours.
I got it. I got the part. I can't believe it. Hey. I got it.
I used to wonder, what if they don't pick me? Now I wonder, what if they do? Who could I become? And to think, I was ready to give up.